Good morning to all of you. So in the previous class we have studied about what are the history of your railway. Okay. So you know that your first rail in India, the first rail was built between Mumbai and Thane in 1852, and the first passenger train ran between the two stations covering a distance of 34 km on April 16 in the year of 1853. Okay. So now we discuss about your history of railway in the year of 1853. Okay. In the year of 1853, on the April 16th at 3:35 p.m. the first train in India leaves Bombay for Thane. Okay. And Madras Railway Incorporate work begins on Madras aircraft line. Next year in 1854, on August 15th, the first passenger train in the eastern section is operated and from Howrah to Hooghly for 24 miles, and the section is soon extended to Pundoha. Okay. And your stations are classified into 4 groups on some railways according to the traffic and the proportion of European and Indian passenger. Next year in 1855, your BB&CI Railway Incorporated and begin work on a Surat Baroda line, and on the February 3, EIR's experimental track of Calcutta Delhi routes now consist of a Howrah and your Ranigunje. Okay, this section for the 121 miles. And in the year of 1855 to 1856, in this year the East India Railway carries another line here, that is carries locomotive, okay, in the route of Australia. In 1800, you should remember in the history, in 1853, first train run from where? From Boribundars to Thane. Okay. And the next important year is 1854, the first passenger train. It runs from Howrah to Hooghly. In the year of 1856, first south line was opened, Chennai. In 1859, first north line, Allahabad to Kanpur. Okay. In year of 1947, it post-partition 21 railway system, 10 owned by the GOI and balanced by the princely states. Okay. And the next year in 1951, Southern, Central and Western Railway SR, CR and WR created. In year of 1952, Northern, Eastern and Northeastern Railway, NR, ER and NER, which is short form of Northern, Eastern and Northeastern Railway created. And next year in 1955, Southeastern Railway SCR created. Southeastern Railway, its short form is SER, capital SER created. Okay. And in the next year 1958, your Northeast Frontier Railway, which short form is NFR, which was created. And in 1966, in that year, South Central Railways, which short form is capital SCR created. And in the year of 2002, your East Central and Northwestern Railway created in October. And in the year of 2003, Southwestern, West Central, North Central, Southeastern Central and East Coast Railway created in April 2003. Okay. So this is all about your history of railway. So these are the important years that was done in that time, which year is important. Okay, so we know about know about your history of Indian Railway. Okay, so in history of Indian Railway is the main one thing is your the first train run in the year of 1853, which is run from Boribundur to Thane. Okay, so always remember this. So next we will go for railway terminology. Okay, so whenever we have study about railway engineering, we should know about what are the terminologies we have used in this subject for railway and what are the components, what are the part of permanent way of railway track. We should know each and every part of railway track. Okay, and what are the terms used for that. So first we know about terminology. So first one is your adhesion of wheel. Okay, these words may be new for you all of you, but we will know about this. Okay, I will clear you by showing you the pictures or image of this adhesion of the wheel, how it is done. So adhesion of the wheel means what? Wheel means all of you know wheels. Okay, it is the wheel of rail. Okay, so adhesion means what? You know adhesion means your friction. So adhesion of the wheel means what? Now the resistance offered by the friction between the metal surface of the rail and the wheel. Okay, so what you understood that adhesion of the wheels means it is the resistance offered by which? By friction. The friction is created between your metal surface of the rail and the wheel. That one is your adhesion of the wheel. Okay, so this is the picture of your adhesion of the wheel. Here your rail wheel. Okay, and it is the rail, it is the train wheel and it is the rail which is your metal track. Okay, and I have already told you that it is the resistance offered by the friction which created by between the your train wheel and your rail surface. This is the created of friction, and which resistance offered by the friction, this is called as your adhesion of the wheel. Okay, so next one is your urging of sleepers. Okay, so urging of sleepers mean what? Sleepers means what? Now it is a rectangular blocks which laid on the ground for support the rail to carry the train over it. Okay, so what is urging of the sleeper? In order to obtain an inward slope of 1 in 20, okay, for the rail, the sleepers are cut from a table, and the process of cutting the wooden sleepers or casting the concrete sleepers accordingly is known as your urging of the sleeper. So just see the picture. This is your urging of the sleeper. Okay, so urging of the sleeper, how it is done? Whenever inward slope means, see here, the inward slope. Okay, so inward slope, in inward slope is, you know, slope, it is provided 1 in 20. Okay, for the rail. Here what is your rail? This one is your rail. Here the two lines are your rail, and this is the wheel of the train. Okay, so in order to obtain an inward slope is given 1 in 20 for the rail. The sleepers are cut from a table. So here the sleepers are laid. Okay, wooden sleepers are laid. So it is cut according to your slope. Okay, and this cutting process of your wooden slipper or cast iron, this process is called as your urging of slipper, means adjust of the slipper according to the slope. Okay, so next one is your as-pit. As-pits means what? So long masonry pits which is constructed longitudinally inside and under the track to collect the ash from the steam locomotive. So ash pits normally whenever locomotives means, I have already told you locomotive means your engine. Okay, and whatever the As are from the stream locomotive, what we should collect, that is process is your as speed, and here is the image, your as speeds collection. Okay. So this is all about your terminology, and the rest of terminology part we will discuss in your next class, in next lecture series. Okay. So this is all about your history of railway, introduction of railway, what is railway engineering, and a little bit about your terminology. Okay. Thank you.